Imagine new land emerging from the vast ocean. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a spectacular reality thanks to Earth's most powerful architects, volcanoes. Deep beneath the waves, molten rock, or magma, erupts from the seafloor. Over countless eruptions, this lava cools and solidifies, layer upon layer. Slowly, this underwater mountain grows, pushing upwards until it breaks the ocean's surface, revealing a brand new piece of land. This incredible process has formed entire archipelagos, like the Hawaiian Islands, over millions of years. Volcanoes aren't just destructive, they are powerful creators, constantly reshaping our world, one fiery eruption at a time.